TransTech Systems, advanced technological solutions, innovative products and services. The leader in non-nuclear density measurement, revolutionizing industries around the globe.
TransTech Systems is a company that develops instruments for in-process quality control.
We are the state of the art for non-nuclear density measurements.
We use an electrical-based measurement to relate the in-place density and compaction of asphalt and soils.
It is an electrically based measurement system that deviates from what you would find typically in the industry.
And we are very proud of what we have been able to achieve and where we are heading in the future.
TransTech is the leader in non-nuclear soil and asphalt density gauges.
Founded in 1994 in upstate New York, TransTech Systems is dedicated to developing and manufacturing innovative and robust instrumentation solutions. Originally formed to focus on products for the paving and construction industries, TransTech has transformed itself into a broad-reaching international high-tech company, working to develop products for a wide range of applications.
TransTech originally started out by making paver attachments to help longitudinal joint construction. We started developing instrumentation for quality control that can help paving contractors and general contractors working in soil and asphalt around the world. My dad was the first generation of running the business as the majority owner. I took over as CEO and majority owner, so it's definitely a legacy-based company.
A legacy built on TransTech Systems' commitment to their patented core technology, electromagnetic impedance spectroscopy, a groundbreaking method of measuring density.
In large part, we are still writing the book on electrical measurements in semi-saturated particulate media.
It looks at the resistance, the capacitance, the impedance, really these core fundamental electronic principles of this material, and uses that to determine things like density and compaction that you might care about on a construction site.
With the new innovations that we are working on right now, good things are about to come.
The non-nuclear gauges are less expensive to operate and give you the same results. Not only do they give you the same results, they give them to you faster and in many cases more accurately than anything on the market.
Ease of use is just like using your phone. Press a button, put in some information, hit test, it comes back within 3 seconds. That's how easy it is.
One of the advantages of electrical measurement is you really have a lot less burden of oversight, working with dangerous materials.
With our gauge being non-nuclear, the flexibility is there. We don't have to register it with the state. You can take it on a plane. You can take it anywhere across state lines. Internationally, no issues.
You can put it in your car, you can set it down on the ground, you can stand around it all day if you wanted to. There's really not a lot of the same risks that you would encounter.
So it gives our customers a level of security that they're not going to have to go through something like that. TransTech recently acquired Ames Engineering out in Ames, Iowa. They make profiling equipment and texture scanners.
It's kind of a unique product. Everything's done here at our facility. We're machining our own parts. We're assembling the equipment here. We service the equipment here. Board design to manufacturing of our circuit boards. It's all done in-house, and software development.
We're measuring the smoothness of the road for ride quality. Very important for all aspects of travel on the road, for safety, for smoothness. We're using lasers on the ground with accelerometers that take out the vehicle motion. The laser is in sync with the accelerometer, so the accelerometer knows what the laser's doing, and it can remove the vehicle movement to give us our overall profile.
We can mount it to a pickup truck and you can collect data at 70 miles an hour.
They have an amazing reputation. They've got a great brand. Getting the opportunity to bring them into the TransTech fold has been tremendous.
We are very complementary companies. TransTech is providing the during paving quality control to measure the compaction. Ames is providing the afterwards, did we meet the smoothness specification?
We're two companies under one umbrella providing some of the best service and the best quality for a product that you can get.
Our customers respond very positively to our level of service.
Customer service is extremely important. You can't have any downtime when they're on these paving projects. It's very important to the customer, and it's obviously our top priority.
Not only do we understand, we appreciate the position our customers are in when they're calling and saying that they need assistance.
It is something that we pride ourselves on and something that we hope to bring into every new product and every new innovation that we put out from this company.
We look at it as a long-term relationship with our customers. All of us have that same philosophy of, wanting to help the customer, make sure he's happy, make sure he's getting what he needs.
We want to ensure that our customers can use our gauges productively and be able to leverage whatever technology we give them so that they could do their job at the highest quality possible.
I don't think a month goes by where I don't hear some sort of praise from our customers. Every time they call, they get to speak to a live representative from our company. High pressure situations, a lot of times they need an answer, they need a solution right away. We're able to provide that for them.
To the best of my memory, we've never told anybody, I'm sorry, we can't do that. It's just not in our vocabulary.
We're continually striving to have our product be the most reliable indication of compaction that you can get.
We keep units in stock. We keep parts in stock. I'm hearing some of our competitors' gauges are 12 to 18 weeks in shipping. I've got them in stock today. We have people that will call us at 4 o'clock on a Friday and need a gauge, Monday morning. Well, we can ship that. We can get that out. It's not a problem. Everything is built and serviced right here in Latham, New York.
We're very proud of the fact that our components are made here in-house in the USA by our employees.
It's all American made. We're what everybody talks about. We have invented, designed, built, shipped, and serviced a product manufactured in Latham, New York, shipped to 68 countries around the world, and we are basically doing what the U.S. should be doing more of, which is building their own products and shipping them out to other countries. And we've won awards for that. We've been acknowledged for that for many, many years. So it's very exciting for us to keep that, and that'll never change. We're always looking at what's next. We've probably got on the drawing board 6 new projects that are all exciting. I wish I had 20 engineers that could jump in and just create all the different things that we've talked about over the years. Having the Ames element brought into that for the next generation of what TransTech is going to do makes it exciting, and I can't wait to see what the next 5 years are going to bring.